Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. KIC, GSD, and PAN must be fully verified. This is non-negotiable. Once done, prepare high-quality images and clear product titles so your listing looks professional. Create the catalog entry next, adding SKU, HSN code, and competitive pricing. Make sure margins and shipping fees are realistic. You do this now because Flipkart prioritizes complete, accurate listings when evaluating for the Assured program, so start with pristine, validated data. Next, make your metrics shine. Stabilize inventory and use Flipkart's FBP/FBE or a courier partner delivering 95% plus on time. You must reduce cancellations and returns, aim for less than 1% cancellations and under 2% returns. Work on customer response time and product accuracy to push your rating above 4. 5. Once these key metrics hold for the required evaluation window, apply to Flipkart Assured from your dashboard. The system evaluates delivery, quality, and finally, complete verification. Expect product quality checks and packaging audits. You should correct labeling and packing immediately to pass. Make sure you reply to any Flipkart compliance or quality queries within 24 hours and upload documents they request. Delays hurt approval. If your application is rejected, don't panic. Identify the rejection reason in the report, fix the root cause, and reapply after the cooling period. That one-focused fix usually clears the way to assured status.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.